Alright, welcome to the channel. Welcome to today's shit post as well. Sorry for the background noise again. The AC is on because it is 100 degrees outside for some reason. But anyways, today I have kind of a special video. I had a box that just came in, and if you can guess what it is, and I'll give you a big old smooch. Alright, anyways, got a pair of shoes. Got a pair of shoes I've been wanting for a while. This is a big W for me. I'm gonna try to give you all a good view of this. Alright. Gentlemen, here she is. I'm sure you can already guess what it is by now. I'm gonna take her out of the box. Nice and easy. Alright. And just for reference, the last cop was this 8 waist bag. So go check out that video if you haven't seen it. I'm not sure what order I'll be posting these videos, but you know, I'll try to get that one first, obviously. So, here she is. Big ass Easy 350 V2s. This is the box. Adidas Boost technology. Alright, so I'm not even going to tell you which ones they are. I'm just going to open it and then I'll tell you. Okay. Let's get her open. Never gotten a pair of these, so okay. It's pretty simple actually. Oh, so they just slide. Gotcha. That makes sense. Okay. Let's take a look. Yeah, we don't need these. Okay. I do not want to remind myself of the price I paid. Alright, we're about to get the first look, homies. Check this out. Ooh, goddamn. Ooh. Let's get a look at that. Pull this other baby out. Let's get this shit out of here. That fucking thing out of my face. Ooh. It's nice and... the rubber's nice and warm from being in the fucking heat. It's very nice. Okay. It's on some ASMR shit. Alright. So I'm gonna move this lighting. Give you guys a slightly better look. Maybe I should put it like, yeah, alright. Give you guys a good look here at the shoes. Ooh, y'all see that? Ooh. So this is the non-reflective Easy 350 V2 landmarks. These just dropped in early July. And I missed that drop because my ass was in Japan and the time zones are off, so you know, it probably would have been easier actually, because when it's nighttime over there, it's the morning over here, so I probably could have just stayed up late and got the drop, but my ass was kind of retarded, so I had to pay above retail, so rip my bank account. StockX verified, not that it means anything, but you know, let me give you guys a good old spin. This is size 9.5. If you are wondering, hold up, here's the tag. 9.5. There we go. But yeah, so these are non-reflective. I believe only the shoelace and and the strap inside is reflective. They're not strap, the stripes, whatever you call those. It's a very beautiful shoe. Damn. Change the lighting a little bit. Let's look at the little insole. It just says Adidas Yeezy and kind of a yellowish font. I kind of like these because it reminds me of like the surface of the moon a little bit. I think that's probably where they got their name from. The name was definitely inspired by the moon's surface or something. So yeah. Damn, the boost looks nice as hell. Like, just seeing the boost, it's like nice and soft. Damn, that's nice. Alright, that's it, guys. No, I'm just joking. I mean, what else could I show you, really? I guess I could just give you some closer detail. Let's move this light. What's a beauty?
Cook that shit up,
Easy
Clay.
pattern extends all the way to the tip. Here's the stitching. It's more of a crisscross, where it alternates actually. It's a cross and then there's just a square and then a X and then a square and then an X. So it alternates. Same with up here. Past the shoelacing. Here, let me give you a look at the inside again. Still haven't taken out that paper stuff. So I like this colorway a lot. Obviously it would have been nice to get it for retail, but this colorway specifically, I like it so because I would never buy a straight up white shoe. It would have to be, you know, because you see the bottom, the sole here is actually orange. It's not freaking white. And the shoe itself, what do you call this? The midsole. It's not actually white. It's like a yellow. It's like a buttery white, you know, kind of like the. That's why I was bidding on the Antillas and the butters because they're not white, and I would never wear white shoes. So these will at least not get dirty as quickly as, like, let's say just the straight up what are they called, the triple creams, the creamy whites or whatever the hell they're called. That's probably why their price is lower, because no one wants to buy a straight up white shoe. So so these are my ideal. If I were getting a paler shoe, this would probably be the lightest I'd go. So in terms of white, I would probably never buy a lighter color pair unless I might get like either I'd have to choose between Antilla and butter, but like something like zebra is obviously too expensive now. But you know, that's a semi-white pair. But you know, these aren't as white as some other Yeezys, so I think these will last longer and I'll have to clean it less. But you know, obviously you should buy shoe cleaner kits like Rejuvenator and Crep. So ask me for a link if you need shoe cleaner. I could shoot you a link, but I haven't even gotten my shoe cleaner yet, so I'll definitely be getting a basic cleaning kit. So I'm actually gonna put this up here and I'm gonna give you guys a spin around again. Hold up. That'd be a good shot right there. Oops. That would be a fire ass shot. And then I'll probably put some photos of it so you guys can get a look at the reflective shoelaces and whatnot. But yeah. So that was it for this shoe video. This is my first actual pair of Yeezys. I'm a huge Adidas guy. If you don't know, all my shoes are Adidas. So, you know, I'm not really a Nike guy. So, to be honest, I wish I didn't miss the Nike and Off-White Air Force One drops. I probably would have gotten a pair for retail, but you know, they're reselling for like thousands of dollars, so that's definitely not bank friendly. So, you know, so my wallet's suffering currently, but it's still worth it because it's a nice ass pair. So yeah, I'm gonna get these videos uploaded and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be pumping these shits out more. I'll probably be reviewing like the babe shit that I own too, if y'all want to see that. So have a nice day, gents.
あれこれそれ大切なのどれいらないもの捨てちゃおういるものだけありゃ幸せなのかもしれないだろうありがとう